Tech Mahindra rolls out latest version of artificial intelligence machine learning platform. Tech Mahindra has rolled out a new version of its artificial intelligence and machine learning platform GAiA. The latest version of GAiA is aimed to help organizations in real-time deployment of AI and ML-driven services and comes with features such as Jupyter Notebook Integration, AutoML support, model validation, security and governance, said the company in a press release. GAiA is an industrialized version of the open-source Acumos platform, which was co-created by Tech Mahindra and AT&T. According to the company, GAiA 2.0 will enable comprehensive AI and ML-driven platform capabilities and services to be deployed across mainstream, optimizing enterprise operations in real time across industry verticals. This also offers an enriched marketplace of models and numerous features to empower enterprises across industry verticals to build, manage, share, rapidly deploy services and applications. The latest version of the platform supports most of the commonly used AI and ML development frameworks and toolkits including Python, Sci-kit Learn, H20 Java, R, TensorFlow and Keras. Tech Mahindra said it would also offer numerous professional services to help enterprises realize AI, ML objectives, including platform setup and deployment, features customization. GAiA 2.0 is a reinvention based on insights and feedback received for the initial version. Tech Mahindra with proven expertise in leveraging digital technologies will help foster collaborative innovation by democratizing AI and ML. Manish Vyas, President, Communications, Media and Entertainment Business and CEO, Network Services, Tech Mahindra, was quoted saying,